Hi class, welcome to ESLEO. My name is Ms. Morales, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create your online student portfolio. We will be creating your online student portfolio using Google Sites. You can access your student assignment sheet from the high school LMS, or you can also access it by going to Lesson 1.0, Introduction to ESLEO. Okay, let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is go to sites.google.com. You can put this directly into your web browser search. You can also access it from going to the Google Apps option from your Gmail account and going to Sites. When you get to the main page of Google Sites, you will see that you have the option to create a blank, meaning empty website, or you can use one of the templates from the gallery. So a template is a design that has already previously been made. I would like to show you how to create a blank site so that if you wish, you can show some of your creativity and design through your portfolio. The first thing that we need to do is to give our site a name. Your Google Site page must include the course code, ESLEO. It must include the word portfolio, and it must include your name. You can then add a logo to your site if you wish, or you can start designing your other pages. As you can see on the right hand side, you have some different options for your site. You can change the layout of your site, and then you can also insert or add text box, an image. You can upload or select from your drive directly. You can also take the URL, so the link of any of your Google Docs or anything else, and directly put it into your site. You have the option of adding different pages. As you can see, this is our home page. However, as you go through your student assignment sheet, you will see that you have a checklist. These are things that must be included on your student portfolio. As you can see here, we should include a personal profile section, a class notes section, resources, sample work, and reflection pieces. So the first thing we're going to do is to create a new tab or section for personal profile, or if just put profile. As you can see, it will automatically create a new tab section. You can add some subsections. Perhaps you want to add some pictures. And as you can see here, all I did was drag and drop. So I can take it out, or I can put it into one of my other tabs. So you must include each one of these sections. And I'm going to talk a little bit more about your class notes and resources section. For your class notes, I would like for you to upload any notes that you take while you go through the course content. These notes can be written, it can be an audio or a video. However, they must be your notes. I do not want to see screenshots of the lesson content. I understand that sometimes we need some additional support to help us understand something, and we have access to so many websites and so many different resources that I would like for you to keep track or keep a record of the things that you are using to help you understand and succeed in this course. In the resource section, you can add any YouTube videos that help you understand, any websites, anything that has helped you in your learning process. And these don't have to be in English. They can be in your first language if they have helped you in any which way. For the sample work and reflection pieces, these are things that we're going to be talking about closer to the end of the course when you're going to be submitting your student portfolio. Your student portfolio is an assignment that is going to be completed throughout the course, meaning you are going to have to submit it at different times in our class. So the first submission will be 2 weeks from now, and then the next submission might be another 2 weeks from there or a week, and you will get the schedule according to the class that you are in. Okay, so please read your assignment sheet carefully, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me. This is worth 10% of your grade, so have fun with it. Make sure you keep it nice and organized, and if you have any questions, once again, don't hesitate to reach out. Okay, class, I can't wait to see your portfolio. Bye!